Hey, I think every creative artist should have a proper portfolio to showcase their content. If you are currently shooting products in your bedroom, kitchen, or in your studio to reach new clients, then I think it is highly important to get your content out there so you would be able to showcase it to your potential customers. And to have a chance to make it in this tough competition, then your portfolio should look as professional as possible. An easiest way to do this is by building a proper web page. And this will be your portfolio that you can share to any potential client. 2 weeks ago, I was in the same position. I do have my company webpage, but I have not updated my personal page for years. And to be honest, I don't really have anything available in there right now. Currently, there is just one large image and link to redirect my customers to my company page. But I would like to have my separate personal page where I can showcase my images and also personal passion projects. When I started out, then I used WordPress to build up my portfolio page. But this was always so time-consuming to find a nice template which could work for me. And it was even more time-consuming to build it up and keep it updated. Yes, you need to update every plugin in there by yourself. And then you get errors and those plugins are not cooperating properly, and it is just annoying, really annoying. So I think it is time to deactivate my page. So I started to look for another solution to build up my portfolio online. And I didn't want to do it with WordPress anymore. So that was off the table. I went through several different online platforms where I can just easily build up my page without having to spend too much time figuring out how to get all those gallery plugins activated and so on. And then I came across with Pixpa. Pixpa is an online no-code photography website builder that has everything you need for a professional portfolio. And it has so much more to offer, from showcasing visually stunning galleries and managing bookings to share and selling your photos. They have over 200 template options, so you can be sure that you will find one that suits your style the best. On their platform, you can have beautiful galleries with your images, you can set up an online store and start selling your images, or you can even start blogging. I used their 15-day trial to build my page just to make sure that it is the best solution for me, because there are so many different options available on the market right now. And I just want to have the best one for my needs. So what I needed it to do, I want to showcase my work. It needs to have a simple, clean gallery. It needs to be easy to navigate. And I wanted to do it in the best possible way without any coding or plugins. And obviously it has to have reasonable pricing, because all of these online platforms are coming with a monthly subscription, and I just don't want to spend a fortune on that every year. So I took my 15 days and built up my page. This is what I got. Beautiful online portfolio with so many additional options. Once I registered myself, it was really straightforward and no specific knowledge needed. I will just show you quickly what I have here. When I log myself in, then I get to my dashboard, and here's what I got. I chose a template that was specifically designed for showcasing photography gallery in a minimalistic way. It all starts with a beautiful gallery that is completely responsive and usable in any device. By the way, that is very important for me, as you need to be able to showcase your work in different devices, such as mobiles or tablets or PC, as you never know where your clients are visiting this page. And uploading my photos has never been easier. You can just drag and drop your content and it will be all automatically uploaded. And from here on, I can add all my keywords and titles and other details. Once my gallery was ready, I moved on to contacts, as you need to have your contacts available out there. And after that, I added a short description about myself, and that's it. Simple page with my content on it. It was really simple to build it up, and there are several additional features that I will start using in the future. So what I like about that platform? One thing that I didn't mention before is that they have client galleries, which means that you can create separate page with your images from your latest photo shoot and then share it with your client. And then they can make a selection which images they need to have finalized and edited. And that is one really great feature, as I have always struggling with that. Usually I send all the images to client and then they will send back a selection of images that they want to have edited, or sometimes they send me just file names, a long list, and that was never a comfortable option. Now I can do this by having a client gallery, and it will be all done online without sending any files back and forth. And most importantly, it looks professional. I also like how easy it is to use. And I feel that building a web page has never been easier. And if you ever get stuck with something in there, then you can have support 24/7 with response time in 5 minutes. That is pretty impressive. And if you don't want or you don't have time to build up your own page, you can request website setup service for $199 one-time fee. And finally, pricing. Comparing to the other platforms, I feel that I really get a lot with that price. So it's worth trying out. So who is Pixpa for? As I mentioned already in the beginning, it was for every creator who wants to have their work out there, visible to all potential clients. As a product photographer, I know it is extremely important to be able to showcase my work online to every potential customer. And I love that I can do it all in such an easy way. And as creators, we can concentrate on what's really important, creating beautiful content. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.